Fun Races. When you hear the word race, what comes to mind? Maybe a swimming race, perhaps a car race. Well, for the people of Congham and the Isle of Man, they think of snails and tin baths. Let's find out more about these unusual races from two of our readers. What and where? World Snail Racing Championships, Congham, England. Tell us all about it.
When my sister asked me to go to a snail race with her, I thought it sounded a little strange to be real. But a week later, I was in a field sticking a number 56 on a garden snail. We decided to call our snail Lewis, after Formula One's Lewis Hamilton. Eventually, a farmer called Neil sprayed water on a table to help the snails move, then told us to put our snail on a circle inside another bigger circle. Neil shouted, "Ready, steady, slow," and the snails were off. Sort of. The track is only 13 inches, but they move, well, at a snail's pace. Lewis reached the outer circle in 3 minutes, 35 seconds and came third in his round. The world record is 2 minutes by a snail called Archie in 1995. Hopefully, this year's winner enjoyed his prize, a silver tankard full of lettuce. I can't wait to take part again next year. Sarah, London.
What and where? World Tin Bath Championships, Isle of Man. Tell us all about it.
Last summer, my Uncle Tom took part in the Tin Bath Championships in Castletown Harbour on the Isle of Man, which is between England and Ireland. I really wanted to go with him to watch the race, so he agreed to take me. Uncle Tom found his old tin bath and made some paddles. Just before the race, we decorated his bath with flags and balloons, and he dressed up as a Viking. The winner is the person who crosses the finish line first, or the person who gets the furthest before they sink. It's difficult to stay dry. Although Uncle Tom pulled a muscle and his bath sank, he still won. I also loved the tin bath jousting and the Birdman competition when competitors tried to fly into the harbour using silly costumes and huge paper aeroplanes. It was hilarious. I'd love to take part in this race one day too. Maybe I can practice in my local pond. Michael, Belfast.